Hey guys, we're cooking down the sap that we collected from the maples. So I've got one pot here that's half empty. I'm going to add to the other one, and then I'll pour in some cold sap into this pot. I'm gonna cook down this sap until it's thick and golden brown at the bottom. It'll probably take, for a stock pot this size, I don't know, most of the day, maybe 7 or 8 hours. It takes a while. We don't use anything special to measure when it's done since we're not canning it. I freeze all of our syrup, so I'm not worried about it spoiling if I don't get it down to a high enough sugar concentration. So I just stop when it looks like syrup. And it's delicious. We already went through a whole pint for breakfast yesterday, so it works well if you're patient enough to take the time to collect it and cook it down.
In there, May?
There's not much in that one.
There's something.
There's a little bit in all of them.
Well, we'll combine them into a couple pails.
One of them's full right up, so I think I don't know if it's that one or the next one down.
How are those?
Good. Whoa.
Hey, you knocked them right over. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll see if I can put them in the same bucket here.
Might as well. One of these was, one of the ones here was tipped over yesterday.
Probably a Bigfoot.
Bet you was.
I don't know why your ammo.
Somebody fired a shot.
I did not. For nobody. Not me. Not you. Not really. Not Dad.
No.
What about me? Either.
Yeah, he's gonna leave that one there.
Fell again.
Where's the hole? Where's the hole
A little
doing?
bit in this one.
Where's the hole doing? Oh. There it is.
Anything in that one?
A little bit.
Or half empty.
We got two more. This one's full. Full bucket.
Yeah. Hey, Dad.
Got quite a bit in it too. That one's full too. I'll go get that top off of that tree over there and put it back on this tree.
How's their sleepover?
Good.
You had a good sleepover, Bruin?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Even not my people. Well, Mary people.
Mainly sleepover.
Yeah.